Hey there, welcome back to the video section of CT Global Education Services Jalandhar. Let me ask you one question. What is the easiest and interesting thing for students in IELTS? And I'm sure your answer would be cramming. But does it really work? The answer is definite no. Why? Because examiners are always interested in your own thoughts, your own thought process which you put in your writing and in your speaking, the way you present your ideas in writing and speaking, which is clearly published in the band descriptor public version chart, which the examiners also follow, and you can definitely cross check according to the band score in which it is categorized. So instead of copying and pasting the ideas of other people, I would recommend everybody to come up with your own thoughts and your own ideas and the good presentation which can definitely justify your writing and your speaking. I hope this tip will definitely work for you. Good luck for your exam and take care.